question of identity is probably the most important for every human. Why I was saying that was because I started everything from the line of Bible. I will go back to that and continue my story. So it is very clear that I am starting my story from time immemorial. Once upon a time, God created heaven and earth. We start from there. Very important. After that comes two characters from which I am starting my story. Adam and Eve. Garden. Eden garden. Everybody is happy. Then you know what happened. There was this tree of knowledge. In fact, the story is there in Holy Quran also. Chapter number 7 of Holy Quran refers to this. Adam and Eve are there even in the Islamic tradition. They are respected. There was this tree of knowledge which had certain fruits and they were forbidden from eating the fruit. But one day, what happened? A snake tempted Adam and they ate the fruit and you know what happened. But in Islamic tradition, I believe that the story is slightly different and there is a whole lot of discussion on what the fruit actually was. Popular tradition says that the fruit was apple, but many say it was not apple but some fruit which resembled grapes. Whatever it is, it was a fruit. If it was apple, I am very happy because apple has a very interesting storyline in our narrative. In fact, you can write the entire history of computers using apple because apple comes everywhere. See, there apple comes. Newton apple, and finally in computing, no apple computer. That is very recent. Before that, where does apple come very prominently in computing? No, in the narrative will come to. But apple holds a very important story. You can write the history of computing and name it a very beautiful title, the story of the apple. It will cover the entire history. So there was apple. See, this is all I think. We should not hear all of this like a story. It's not story. I think people wanted to say something and they introduce certain symbols. Because this snake, this tree, they are very familiar symbols for anyone who knows Indian philosophy. Snake, very familiar in Indian philosophy. Whenever we have to project what I can say, human desires, extreme human desires, passionate human desires, you invoke the symbol of snake in Indian philosophy. So I think that is the symbolism there. There was desire which prompted him to go and take that fruit from a tree. Tree is again a very big symbol. All through Indian philosophy, this tree, mainly the banyan tree, comes again and again. That is also a symbol. So I think the whole history should be analyzed by interpreting them as symbols and not simply as a story. But anyway, this is accepted story, so we will start the story from there. My first point is, what happened after they ate the fruit? What happened? What happened? That is our starting point of the story. They ate the fruit, they committed sin. Correct? The first sin. And the Bible says that Adam was given the curse that he worked hard and that is why agriculture started, and Eve was given some curse, that is why all that. Quran also believes it. In fact, the Quran is kind of original. This clarification I wanted because my friends are here, I can get the clarification. One of the 5 founding principles of Islam, there are 5 founding principles of Islam. What is the first one? What is the first one? The first one is, I don't know whether I am pronouncing it correctly, that is where I want your clarification. I am told that the pronunciation is Shahada. Is it right? Or is it Sahada? Or is it Shahada? Shahada, right? That is the first founding principle of Islam. So see this very carefully. Shahada. What does Shahada mean? Shahada means, in a very crude way, I am not translating, it's very difficult to translate. It means belief. You have to have the belief. There is one statement, Bismillah, with which the Quran starts. You are basically believing that there is one and only one God. Take it away. Keep only the belief. What is the word? In Indian system, there is a word. Shraddha. ये no connection. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Shraddhavan labhate jnana. Who gets jnana? Who gets the knowledge? He who has Shraddha. See, that is what Islam is. The case in Allah, Veda, that is why people said, Ekam Sat. There is only one truth. Learned people say it in different ways. I firmly feel there is some connection between all this. Someday, don't know about you, but I will sit and do. Adhe kelsa, by Rosha. Shraddha, very important term, Shraddha. If you have faith, you will get knowledge. It is a very strange way people used in a very unthinkable situation. Really good, huh? Om Shanti Om film movie. You've seen Om Shanti? Tale hospital with someone. In film Om Shanti Om, there is one scene which reflected this very much. Which is the founding principle of almost all world religions. You will find it in Om Shanti. Uncommon place to find serious philosophy. Scene is this. The reincarnated Om is trying very hard to get the original Shanti. He fails. Then there is a scene behind a very big moon. Can you visualize that scene? A very big moon. In the backdrop of a very big moon, a frustrated Om speaks to that girl, saying, you cannot be that Padma. Because if I tell you the real story, you will never believe whatever I am saying. Then she says one dialogue. It's very important. We watch movies. I don't count how many times I watch it. I leave it to others. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 11 ಸಲ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. Then there is one statement, there is one dialogue where she says, I do believe whatever you do when you fly from 7th floor. I do believe when you beat 100 goals and come out safely. I do believe. I do believe whatever you say is the foundational principle of all religions. Every religion wants its followers first to believe. That is why Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, Shraddhavan. That is what Islam also says. Coming back to my story, Adam and Eve ate the apple. It's not by following. So what happened after they ate apple or whatever the fruit it was? They committed sin and what did they get? See, the tree was called as the tree of knowledge. Not simply, it was a tree of knowledge. You eat the fruit from the tree of the knowledge, what should happen?